speeches that was really convincing. I would like to hand over the stage to, and I would like to leave the dance open to Manusha, the Toastmaster of the day. She will carry on with the evaluation and other things.
As is the trademark feature of Rashmi, after every impromptu speech, he comes up with his own version of what he would do if he were in that person's place. Since the speeches are done, we have to go for the evaluation part. I'll call Steve Lowe. If there are any,
starting with the prepared speeches, Vasundhara, she took 4 minutes 50 seconds. Sami, he took 5 minutes 30 seconds. Myself, I took 9 minutes 23 seconds. Impromptu speeches. Murli, he has taken 46 seconds. Sami, 3 minutes 10 seconds. Akshi, 2 minutes 13 seconds. Shreya, 1 minute 19 seconds. And he's taken 1 minute 44 seconds. And the other video is taken 1 minute 32 seconds.
as such, nobody is disqualified because the first session we are planning to do that because to avoid not to overshot that. The next evaluator is Romanian, which is Nikita.
First of all, nobody used the word, nobody asked it, so you should take care of that. And secondly, you should take care of the subject verb agreement, like it is not it have, it should be it has, and people are, people is, you should take care of that.
Next we'll call Ritika Arora. She's the speech evaluator for impromptu speeches.
Hello, good evening to one and all. I'm the speech evaluator for impromptu speeches, starting with Akshi. I like her expressions. She used the space or the area very well, and she had an eye contact. And first of all, she started with facts, what she knew about this topic, and then her personal views, which was good. And it could have been more imaginative and crazy as you described yourself. Otherwise, totally it was good. Next is Animesh. You are very creative, imaginative, and also you mentioned something as in you wanted, you consider that you have a choice of having someone in the elevator with you. You also did not take time to think, and you were very good. Still, you were very good. That was very. Sorry, that was very good. Again, your expressions, hand movements, usage of space, and eye contact, they all were fine. Next is Shreya. She started with both faces of the coin. If death is inevitable, should career we should think about it or not? So she said we should actually think and we should not think, which was good. Next. She could have used space. I mean, you were standing here and not moving. Also, you could have elaborated a bit. The rest, it was nice. Sameer, I like the topic and also the autobiographic style of conveying it. You were humorous and you very well presented the things which we actually observe. I don't think any one of us thinks so deeply that a temple, well, serve so many purpose. Also, you could have been a bit louder as you didn't use the mic, so it was inaudible at some point. Next is Harshit. Am I right, Harshit? Okay, sorry. You started with more authoritative about your job, as in you suppose that you have authority and you wanted more subscriptions in other hostels, and then you said you don't like your job. That was quite contradictory. And otherwise, your expressions were good. The overall the speech was fine. Next is Murli. You had a good conviction, as in the reasons which you gave, but you were looking down at this podium again and again. You could have avoided that. Also, you could have been more elaborated. I think you used only 45 or 46 seconds. You could have been more elaborative. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica. Actually, this is the first time she's taken up the evaluator role, and she did a very good job. And one of the main reasons why we have to take many of these roles is that to get the compete in leadership certificate, you need to fulfill certain criteria, wherein taking up various roles, you will eventually get you the certificate. So apart from the communicator certificate, which you will get after giving your 10 CC level speeches. Next, I'll call Shreya. She'll give the speech evaluation for prepared speeches.
Again, let's start with Vasundhara. It was your level 3 speech. So the objective of the speech was how to say it. So the words that you were supposed to use and the sentences. So I think you did not go through the module because this is where you pay attention to the words that you're supposed to use and how you say it and the sentences you form and how do you present it. Because you don't use paper, you don't use notes anymore, so you were supposed to be more, you need to use the sentence. The sentences have to be short so that you're able to convey the ideas or you're able to remember the sentence. And that's important. Guide on that was perfect. The confidence is obviously admirable. You use examples, which was very good. But the topic was, you couldn't elaborate more on it. And the topic was really confusing because you actually tried to mix it with, the topic was gap and you tried to mix it with space. Now you cannot, they're actually different. You actually got confused between them. The structure of the speech was missing, which it could have been better, it could have been structured in a better manner, and you did not use the stage. Actually, you could have, because we have a wider audience, we have a wider spread audience, so you could have used the stage more in a better manner. And also, you kept shifting. When you were saying, you kept shifting at your position. That is not with Sameer, it was his level 2 speech. The topic was very good. We could have spoken a lot of it, but it was very flat. There was no information, and you were not loud. It could have, because you were presenting facts, so you could have been more expressive. You could have actually changed your intonation, the intonation was. So it could have been more attractive at least. Because we lost interest after some time only because you couldn't present it in a better manner. You did not use stage. You kept on looking at the paper. You could have used the paper less because eye contact is very important in such speeches. Durga, the presentation was awesome. The software that you used and the way you presented it and the topic that you chose was very good. But since the topic was very wide, you could have actually skipped some topics and you could have concentrated on, should have utilized the 5 minutes and presented what you wanted to in a better manner. Because you had a lot of things that you wanted to say, you didn't present it really well. The eye contact was missing. You did not look up from the screen and you could not connect with the audience. There was no intonation. Expression was very less. You were not even loud. You were very nervous, that was very clear. And it was pretty clear that you were very nervous. And you used a lot of technical jargon. So because, no one knew about the topic, you should have avoided using that. And you organized your screen, that was
Also, we need to vote for the best speaker, for the prepared speakers, and so raise your hands like if you're planning to vote for. The first one was given by Vasundhara, and if you raise your hand. And raise your hand for Sameer. Vasundhara clearly is the best speaker, and it's very good. I call Satish for the general evaluation.
So the role of the general evaluator is to keep an eye of all activities happening through the session and give a general feedback. So let me start with the Toastmaster of the day, Anusha. So as usual, Anusha has maintained a good rapport with the audience apart from the regular speeches also. So she has done her job pretty well. Going to table topic masters, like most of the time, as you guys see, Rashmi either give a speech before or impromptu, or he's on the stage for giving any kind of speech. It will take more of him. So he maintained the same expectation from him, and we would like to keep on seeing such kind of topics in the future also. In fact, when you guys once become the part of the club, even if you are not part of, you're not taking the role of table topic masters, you can give your ideas, some your speech topics, which makes your friends to be afraid of coming up to the stage. So, going to the next roles, timer, yeah, she did her job well, and next grammarian, yeah. One point I should tell about grammarian, you should have been little elaborate, like you mentioned about the overall thing and the mistakes you mentioned, but you could have been little detailed and some other things you might have added. Then going to impromptu speech evaluators. So this is the first time Toastmasters from IPM are taking up the roles of impromptu as well as the prepared speeches evaluators. So I feel like they have done a very good job. In fact, they have done better than what we are doing still now. In fact, give a big clap for them. So both of them covered the evaluation part in terms of content, tone, modulation of speeches, and the expressions. In fact, Shreya, prepared speeches evaluate, has gone 1 feet down the line, and she evaluated according to the CC level manuals, which you guys might be aware of once you join the club. So every prepared speeches should follow the rules and structure which is given the CC levels. As you guys might know, there are 10 levels of speeches. Vasundhara started her speech with level 4 today. So she has given an excellent speech, but it is little deviated from what she expected to give on the level 4. If you guys are able to maintain the expectation according to each speech level, and at the end of the 10 speeches, you'll be becoming the competent communicator, and getting this award will be really a big thing everyone is looking after for. Yeah, of course, this ends my evaluation part, and so hope to see you guys for the next session. I expect many of you people will join the club. Okay, handing over to Toastmaster.
Related to the counters. If you can shout it out from your place. the number of hours taken by everybody.
So I took the role of starting with prepared speeches, which is about 46 hours and the pauses. Sami took no hours in a speech, it was very fluent. Durga took 67 hours, no pauses in between. Now coming to impromptu speeches, Akshi took 6 hours, Animesh 6 hours, Shreya only 1 hour, Sami 4 hours, Ashwin 7 hours, and Rumi took 2 hours.
Actually, for PGP ones whoever wants to join the club, we'll be floating you a form. If you're interested, students can give your names for it.